Hello and namaste everyone. So guys, this is a special reading for LGBTQ community and let's see via tarot what guidance are you getting for the month of February, and according to me even you have equal rights to get guided spiritually also. So why not? So let's see what comes up. And this will be a general guidance. Okay. Let's start. So here's the first card, and the first card is about, okay, five of wands. This is what I see. So guys, I see a lot of you are going through some conflicts, or maybe this conflicts may start. But guys, with this card I would also like to tell you one thing, that try to convey others, like you have your own likes, dislikes, your own opinions, your own views. So try to convey it, try to explain it to the opposite people, like why this is happening. Even you might be knowing it very well. Also try to understand what those people in front of you are trying to tell you, or the ones who are opposing also, what they are trying to tell you. Try to understand, and accordingly you can heal this situation, I would say, instead of just going on creating conflicts. This is what I would say, guys. And unnecessary, please walk away from unnecessary drama. This is what I would say. Like I would say that, see, try your best. If someone is not agreeing to you, someone is not understanding you, then it's not your fault, right? So also avoid unnecessary drama. This is what I would say. But before that, try, give your best, only then decide what to do, what not to do. The next card is the Ten of Cups. So I guess maybe now here I see two scenarios. One, if you succeed convincing, then yes, you will feel that emotional satisfaction, that emotional fulfillment. Else, even if you move out of this particular thing and you do your own thing, particularly, like I would say, even then there will be an emotional satisfaction, because you are doing what exactly you want, what exactly your heart is saying, right? You're not doing anything forcibly. So this is what I see over here. So a new beginning of you, like you will be coming to new ideas, new thoughts, to start something new. This is what I see with this card, guys. So good luck for your new beginnings that are about to start off. Oh, some of them this might have been started, so that is why I wished you all the best. And another thing with this card, guys, I would like to say that maybe you will be little, mentally you will feel some anxious, or you will be feeling little stressed out also, but please have some control over your mind, on your mind. This is what I would say, guys. And have a practical and logical view towards whatever ideas and thoughts you are getting. Okay, it should be realistic. This is what I would say. Ten of swords. So with this card, guys, I would say that for some of you there are some endings, but where there are endings there are new beginnings also. See here, see this, there are some new beginnings. So try to learn why this particular thing happened with you. Try to get that message what universe wanted to tell you with this. For some of them, I guess you are about to end something. This is what I see. But yeah, you need to learn something from this. I would say that please do not keep on just grieving and just mourning over that what happened, why this happened and all. I would say this. Instead, try to learn, because there is some new beginning also at the same time starting. Six of Pentacles. With this card, guys, I would say that be somewhere where there is equal give and take. And also I would say with this card, do some charity work. This is what I would say, do some charity work if possible. Charity doesn't always comes with money, but you can share your knowledge with needy people. You can, if you can help with giving your old clothes, some clothes that it's not fitting on you or something. Anyhow you can help. Charity doesn't always comes with money, but with this card I would say that stay where you are getting that equal value, equal support, equal understanding and equal rights. This is what I would say, guys. And obviously I see that you are getting some sort of opportunity, and you will be there somewhere. And as this is a pentacle card, and it will be a very lifelong thing wherever you will be. This is what I see. So again, all the best. This won't be a temporary one. So, with this card, I would say that you are maybe waiting for something, you are a lot focused on something, maybe you are waiting for your wishes to get fulfilled, and so. But also with this card, guys, I would say that yes, your wishes are coming to be true, but you need to divert your concentration. This is what I would say. You just don't stay focused on that one particular thing, just divert yourself. This is what I would say with this card. And you won't even know when your wishes have got fulfilled. Don't lose hopes, I would say. You're fearing something, you're anxious, some things are hidden from you. This is what I see. I would say that please work on your fears, because it's of no use. You're just fearing, and that's all affecting your subconscious mind, because it's making home in your subconscious mind. And sadly, unfortunately, you will manifest it. This is what I would say. And maybe your fears are just your illusions, because this card also says about illusions. So please work on it. This is what I would say. And don't trust anyone blindly. This is what I would say, another thing, because some things are hidden from you. This is what I see. So, guys, set boundaries and priorities with some situations, some people, some energies. This is what I would say, because whatever you have built up, whatever you are doing, you need to protect it, right? Because you have done with all your efforts and everything. So, it is not that cheap that anyone can come and just go on it and just, literally push it away or something. So set boundaries and priorities. Protect yourself. Protect those things that you are building for yourself. This is what I would say with this card. So guys, okay, please move away from such situations, such people, such memories that give you nothing, that are serving you nothing, but just giving you, you know, just pain. This is what I would say. Like if you remember some people, if you remember some memories, and what do you feel after that? That you're sad after that. So you just have to walk away from such things, such stuffs. This is what I would say. Yes, many a times you might not be, it's not possible to make distance from some people, but you can set your boundaries and priority, like how much to react in front of them, or how much to answer them, or how much you can give your energy. All depends upon you. So this is what has been said. See, there's a renewal coming in your life. So stay blessed and do not lose hope. Stay assertive, stay positive. This is what I would say. And this renewal will come only when you are getting some sort of inner calling. Your inner voice, your inner thing is trying to tell you something. Only then this will happen. It's not just because it is coming in guidance, so it will happen miraculously. No. Only when you will acknowledge few things about you, only then this is possible. Remember that. Please put your guards down. Please put your ego down. It's giving you nothing, but it's just, harming you and also other people. Because of this, people are distancing you, themselves from you. This is what I would say. It's of no use keeping that ego, guys. It will give you nothing. Please remember that. You need to be practical with respect to your finances, with respect to your career. Be practical overall life also, I would say. Please have a practical approach, okay? And whatever wherever you are investing or whatever you're doing for your finances, and so make sure that it's a secure thing. Like, I would also say that please do not just spend unnecessary money. This is what I would say. You need to be secured with respect to your finances, but at the same time you also need to stay grounded. Grounded means what? Like, what I should say, grounded is like, not you have to, we say no, like andhadhun mein chal rahe hai and all. No, not like that. You need to stay calm, you need to stay relaxed. Somehow this is equal to staying grounded. And how can you stay grounded? That you can take a walk, you can go into greenery. Barefooted you can walk at your home. If possible, walk on the grass or on the floor outside, if possible, only then. But I guess it's possible to walk on a grass or something, right? So this is how you can stay grounded. This is what I would say, guys. But be practical with your approach. Only then some of your wishes, I do see, they are coming into reality. And looking at this picture, books, everything overall, with this thing, I guess that some new beginning is about to start, where you need to search something, you need to have more study. This is what I see over here. So yes, like, I would say, be ready for that particular thing. Yes, after that, I see that some, you know, calmness coming in your life. If you were going through a lot of chaos and everything, this is what I see. That yes, that finally that you're going through some calm side of your face is coming in your life. So do not lose hopes, I would say. Yes, some things will be there in your mind with this pic, I can clearly see. But yes, there are some things that will seriously make you calm, that finally this has come to an end, that type of thing. Okay, great. Very beautiful card. Claim it. You are, uh, you know, you are gaining success, you are gaining victory. People who are supporting you will support you. So, see, I said you, like, I guess after this only you will be gaining something. So, yes, okay, and also you may get public recognition for some of you with this card, I would say. So, do claim this energy. Again, a very beautiful card. Yes, lovers, this can be with respect to your emotional life. Also, with this card, guys, I would like to say that whatever are your likes, whatever are your views, whatever are your opinions, whatever is there in your mind, whatever is there in your heart, please speak out each and everything, the truth. Do not hide anything from your people. This is what I would say. And you may also come across some options maybe, but looking at overall picture, this is giving me a very, lover type thing, like, with respect to love life also. So even there you have to be very pretty, firm and frank with your views, your opinions. This is what I say. And yes, also you may come across some choices. This is what I would say with this card. So now this can be anything, related to your all individual thing, individual life. Let's see one more thing. You need to go within yourself, you need to analyze, you need to contemplate. This is what I would say, like exactly what you want from yourself, from your life. If it's with respect to any person or anything else, you need to go within yourself, go into this solitude mode. This is what I would say. Isolate yourself. Only then you will, get some answers. You will get to know a lot of things. Sorry, guys. Yes, some passionate beginning of yours for some of them I see it's starting, or I think once you will do this thing, self contemplating thing, self introspection thing, you will move ahead. This is what I see. Yes. So, guys, this was a general reading and general guidance for you all. I hope this helped you at least little bit. If then, please put a like on my video. Thank you.